I finally met my mentor around 21 years old, and I started buying lands and reselling them. After that, when I was selling these lands and my mentor was teaching me, I was like, maybe if I became a realtor, I could sell more lands. And what I ended up finding out was that there was way more in selling homes as a realtor than there was finding these good land deals and reselling them. So in my career, the most support that I got starting off was from my mom and my dad. Actually, my dad helped pay for my realtor's license. At the time, I was working 2 jobs, but all my bills, I couldn't afford to do my realtor's license, so my dad helped me out. My mom took out money from her own retirement account because she saw that I was flipping lands, and she gave me the first bundle of money to go into the tax foreclosure auction in LA County. One of my favorite aspects of being a realtor is negotiations. I see negotiations as a sport, and I want to be the star athlete. You know, saving my client or making my client more money at the end of the day, I know pushes them further, whether it's their personal financials or for their entire family. My ideal day off would be waking up early in the morning and going fishing with my family. Usually me, my brother, my dad. When we were younger, we used to go fishing, hunting all the time, and that's still what we love to do now. Maybe later on in the evening, me and my fiance going out on a date, going to a nice restaurant. Celebrating a big win with a client, when it comes to an emotional level for how we're creating something for them and their family, that's where I get joy in the career path that I chose. So why me? I'm willing to do more than the bare minimum of putting a home up on the market and hoping that it sells. I'm willing to do the extra legwork of knocking on doors, making phone calls, and in the end result, I'm going to help you get what you're looking for.